Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, but I'm using the product that cost me $1. So I collected all the product from shopmissabe.com. I can find like varieties of product from makeup tools to makeup product, everything in $1. So I collected all from Shop Miss A, and I finally do today. I was wanting to do this video for a very long time, and I finally can do today. I'm so happy, and this is the look that turned out. The products are not like good, but they are not bad also. I can create my look using their product. I did this look using all $1 product, and I'm quite happy about that. If you want to watch how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. I'm starting off with e.l.f. Essential Facial Whip in Golden Peach to give my face a glowing base, and I'm using it as a primer. I put small dot into my face and spread all over my face. After that, I'm using AOA Perfect BB Cream in shade Tan, using it as a foundation with the help of sponge, and it is very easy to blend and it gives me that full coverage I want. After quick application of BB cream, I move on to contour my face using LA Color Foundation in shade Black Walnut. I'm using it as a contour cream, and I am contouring to usual area like cheekbone, side of a nose, a jawline, forehead. And I'm glad that I use this foundation to contour because it's really easy to blend and it's look perfect on my face. Next, to set all my contour on place, I use bronzer from Amuse Trio Kit and apply on area where I contour before. And to put highlight powder, I'm using F21 brush from AOA Studio, and I'm loving these brushes, they work great. I'm using AOA Perfect Setting Powder in shade Banana to blend all my contour and highlights in place. Next is brow time. I'm using AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil in shade Caramel, and I'm shaping my brow. I'm following my natural brow and filling it so it gives me like a natural hair effect. Let's start with eyeshadow. I'm using LA Color Matte Eyeshadow to the crease of my eyes with the help of AOA Studio brush in number F135. Again, I'm applying the darkest color from that quad and working into my crease area because I really want to define my crease. And again, I'm using AOA Studio Bake Eyeshadow onto my crease, and this color is a little bit of shimmery bronze color. After that, I'm using AOA Wonder Bake eyeshadow in metallic red color and working a little bit lower than the crease area. Next, I'm applying Santee eye primer in color Frost in the lid of my eyes where I'm gonna put other color. Now finally I'm going to put eyeshadow on my eyelid, and this eyeshadow is Clean Color Airy Minerals Loose Powder Blush. I know you guys might thinking it's weird to put a blush on your eyelid, because it's really beautiful color and I want to use it, because I can't use this color as a blush because it's really dark and pigmented for my skin. I'm using it as an eyeshadow and I'm working on it and I am really loving it. Again, I'm taking same darkest color from the eyeshadow quad and working it on the outer part of my lid. To enhance and give smoky effect, I'm depositing color and blending really well to the outer side of my eyelid and give it a flawless finish. After that, I'm using lightest color onto my brow bone to give highlight effect. And it's time for mascara. This mascara is a really luxurious looking. I love this packaging and only it cost me $1, and that's amazing. I like the packaging a lot. I'm applying like 2 or 3 coats to my eyelashes to give my lashes a voluminous look, and also I'm going to apply fake lashes. I curl my lashes and apply fake lashes, and this is how it looks. To line my eyes, I'm using Amuse gel eyeliner in color black. Next, I'm using LA Color eyeliner to line my upper and lower waterline. I'm using Amuse highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, bridge of my nose and chin. And I'm using the lightest color from the palette. Lastly, I'm using Clean Color Madly Matte lip gloss, and it's so pigmented and beautiful matte color. This is it, guys. This is the final look that I created and I enjoyed a lot doing this look. Hope you guys enjoyed too. What you guys think about this look, please let me know on the comment sections below. I love to read all of your comments, and you are leaving such a beautiful comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to see my latest videos first, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay happy. Love you all. Bye.